A sign company is building a sign with the dimensions shown below. What is the area in square feet of the sign? Well, we know that this guy here is a triangle, and we're given the base, we're given a hypotenuse leg, but we're not given the height here in purple. So we have to find this. Well, let's use Pythag. If we're told that both of these are congruent, we're given our congruency marks, then I know we can split this in half. So this green line is 5, our hypotenuse is 13. Let's go ahead and find the missing leg. So 5 squared plus x squared equals 13 squared. 25 plus x squared equals 169. Subtract a 25 from both sides, you get 144. And then let's go ahead and square root our squares to say that x equals 12. So we now know that this x value here is 12. We have our base, we have our height. Plug it into the triangle formula, 1/2 base times height, 1/2 times 10 times 12, and your area is 60. Do not forget about your units, which are feet, and since this is area, we have to square it. All right, I gave us a rectangle here, and we're told that it has a length of 20 meters and a width of 10 meters. If we cut out or remove 4 triangles on the corners, as shown below, what is the area of our remaining figure? So let's go ahead and start labeling first. We have a length of 20 for the rectangle, and then we have 10. So area equals base times height for the rectangle. Area equals 20 times 10, which just simply equals 200. Now, let me choose this beautiful blue color to find the area of these corner triangle slices. So again, all we have to do here is just find one of them, and then we can times it by 4. So the area for a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Our base is 4. Our height is 4. So multiply that together. The area equals 8. Now that's just one of them, but we have to go ahead then and multiply this by 4 because we have 4 triangles. So we get 32. And then we take our rectangle of 200 minus our 32, and we get 168 meters squared as the leftover area. Okay, 2 questions left. This one is about a sewing club, and they're making a kilt. Now, this beautiful kilt consists of 25 squares, with each side of the square measuring 30 centimeters. So if it has 5 rows and 5 columns, what is the perimeter of this quilt? So let me try my best to draw us a visual here. Here's our square. Maybe if it'll... There, okay. There's our square, and we have 5 rows and 5 columns. So it looks something like this. There's our 5 rows. There's our 5 columns. Very poorly drawn quilt. I would hope some of you can make a better drawing, or maybe some of you can actually make a better quilt. But we know that each of these little square pieces are 30 centimeters. And I can go all the way around, say 30, 30, 30, 30, 30, all the way around. Now, how we would solve this to find the perimeter is we could find each side length here. Remember, this is a square, so all the sides are going to be congruent. So if I just add these up or multiply them, 5 times 30, I get 150. So each side of this square, I'm going to draw another square next to it, is 150, 150, 150, 150. This is our quilt. Hopefully you'd put some happy stuff on it. We could even put like dogs on it. You could put Oz with a sad face. Just kidding, we love you, Mr. Oz. Make your quilt as beautiful as possible. Here we go, let's find the perimeter now. Remember, you just add everything up for perimeter, or in our case, 4 times 150 because it's a square. So perimeter equals 600 centimeters. Now, dealing with perimeter, you do not have to square it. That is only with area. So we just say 600 centimeters. Last problem of the day, and then I'm going to go eat some more Girl Scout cookies. Maybe I'll get Jimmy John's for dinner. Who knows? But let's finish up geometry for now. So a person has a rectangular shaped garden with side lengths of 16 and 9 feet respectively. So here's our garden. Beautiful. 16 feet, 9 feet. And the garden got changed into a square design with the same area as the original. So due to budget constraints or lack of who knows what, we had to change this into a square. So we want to say, well, what is the new dimensions of our garden if we have the same area? Well, this area, remember, you just do base times height. So in our case, 16 times 9. So the area equals 144 feet squared. So we need this square area to equal 144. But what do we know about squares? All of the sides are congruent. So we can just say our area of 144, if I name these all x, 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 and x, we just need a base times a height. So x times x, or better known as x squared. This is a major algebra throwback. And how do you undo a square? Well, we've been doing this all year, folks. You square root it. So 12 equals x. So how many feet in length are each of the new sides? Well, they are 12 feet in length. All right, folks, I hope you enjoy your beautiful days. Go make today a great day. You all are awesome. Have a great night.